Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the 9 basic steps to get a Florida Class E driver license, including documents, required courses, the knowledge test, vision test, road test, new resident transfers, and fees. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your license type. For most regular drivers in Florida, the license you need is a Class E driver license. This covers standard passenger cars, SUVs, and personal use trucks. If you already have a valid out-of-state license, you may be applying as a new Florida resident. If you have never had a driver's license before, you will usually start with a learner's license before moving to a full Class E license. Step 2. Bring the right documents. Before you go, prepare your document folder. Florida requires proof of identity, proof of social security number, and 2 proofs of Florida residential address. For identity, common examples include a valid U.S. passport or certified birth certificate. For social security proof, examples include a social security card, W-2 pay stub, or 1099. For Florida address proof, bring 2 different documents showing your Florida residential address, such as a utility bill, lease, bank statement, insurance bill, vehicle registration, or other accepted document. If your name has changed because of marriage, divorce, or court order, bring the document that connects your old name to your current name. Do not rely on phone screenshots. Check the official FLHSMV What to Bring website for the complete list of accepted documents before your appointment. Step 3. Complete required driver education. If you have never been issued a driver's license in any state or country, Florida requires driver education before you apply. Many first-time drivers must complete the Traffic Law and Substance Abuse Education course, known as TLSAE. As of August 1, 2025, first-time drivers under 18 who have never held a license must complete the 6-hour Driver Education Traffic Safety course, also called DETS. Complete the required course before your appointment, so your information can be recorded before you go. Step 4. Pass the knowledge test. Next is the Florida Class E knowledge exam. The test has 50 multiple-choice questions covering Florida traffic laws, safe driving habits, and traffic signs. You must answer at least 40 questions correctly to pass, which is 80%. Study the official Florida driver license handbook before you test. Do not try to guess your way through it. Step 5. Take the vision test. Florida also requires a vision screening. If you wear glasses or contact lenses when you drive, bring them with you. Step 6. Get your learner's license if required. If you are a new driver, passing the required course, knowledge test, and vision screening may allow you to receive a learner's license. A learner's license allows you to practice driving, but only under Florida's rules and restrictions. Teen drivers must follow Florida's graduated driver license requirements before moving up to a full license. Step 7. Take the road test. When you are eligible for your full Class E license, you may need to take the driving skills test. Schedule your road test ahead of time. You must bring a safe vehicle with valid registration and proof of insurance. The examiner may check basic vehicle safety before the test begins. During the test, you may be graded on vehicle control, stopping, turning, parking, backing up, signaling, and safe driving habits. Step 8. New Florida residents. If you recently moved to Florida and have a valid out-of-state driver's license, your process may be faster. New residents may be eligible to receive a Florida driver license without taking the written test or road test, but you still need to apply in person, pass the vision screening, and bring the required identity, social security, and Florida address documents. New residents should not assume the old license alone is enough. Step 9. Fees. Florida's original Class E driver license fee is generally $48. Many local tax collector offices may also charge an additional $6.25 service fee. That means the basic total may be about $54.25. Always check the current FLHSMV fee page and your local office before you go. Final checklist. Before your appointment, make sure you have proof of identity, proof of social security number, 2 proofs of Florida residential address, name change documents if needed, required driver education completed, knowledge test preparation finished, glasses or contacts if you use them, and fee payment, and a registered insured vehicle for the road test if required. Getting your Florida driver's license is much easier when you know the steps before you go. If this step-by-step video helps you, please hit the subscribe button and check out our Florida FLHSMV guides for more help with driver's licenses, real ID, car titles, and vehicle registration. Thanks for watching Open Road. Stay prepared. Stay legal and stay safe on the road.